and then you'll be back to your seat. Please do cooperate with them. Let's honor them as they go. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. Keep clapping until they are gone. Keep clapping until they are gone. Keep clapping until they are gone. Hallelujah. Let me speak over your life now. Restore everything that was lost. Restore everything that was stolen. Restore everything that was lost. Restore. You will restore. Restore everything that was lost. Restore everything that was stolen. Restore everything that was lost. Restore. You will restore. The first set of people I'm speaking to are those who there is still hope in the midst of their situation. Water can still be turned to wine. Your water is not ashes. It still gives life as water. It only needs to be turned to wine. Therefore, I pray for you. Every situation that can change by the power that raised Christ from the dead, we enforce change now. Every situation that can change, health situation, marriage situation, job situation, career situation,